Alrighty, part 3 is sit. Next time you see all this, it'll be all welded together. Made a little clip to get welded on for so we can run springs to the top here, and then use the ones on the bottom for the second set. Can never have too many springs on your pipe, right? Especially being as loose as that one is. It doesn't. I'm not sure if it doesn't fit the taper the same or what, but it'll be fine, right? Once it heats up, everything expands. That's it. We had to sand the U-tube down just a little bit to fit in here. It's a little full of grunkus. We even cleaned it out with a little miniature 1-inch flop wheel or 3/4 inch flop wheel. Got it cleaned up. We still had to file on it a bit. These lines here are just for more of this. Rich will take the pipe probably with him, and I'll go ahead and weld these on here. One here for springs. But that's it. That's about how she's going to sit right there. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. We are inside. We put the bumper parts on for our plastic bumper. I like that European plastic bumper look. You know, I like, we had a nice tube bumper on the back of here, but for my taste, I'd rather have the plastic. It looks more modern. We've done all this updating on this cart, so we have to make a little spacer for the front and for the back, but you see the surface of the bumper will be way out here, right, at that surface there, so plenty of room. We can even rotate this a little bit and move it out if we have to, whatever. Yeah, no big deal. Would have liked it to be a little further. I mean, and I can cut it down and stuff this in some more. I have to weld a piece of tubing over top of this piece here because there's no detent inside here like there is here. The pipe bottoms out. This one will just keep going. So I can actually move it, and you can't really move it far enough to clear any gook coming off the chain. But it's a go-kart, right? You're going to have to clean it. You're going to have to clean it, Robert, sooner or later. But she's coming together. Pipe, like I said, I think what we'll do is gas is close. We only got about 500 more pounds of gas in there, which is not much. It's like an eighth of a tank. So what I'll do is more than likely have Rich just take the pipe to work and weld it, and then I'll go ahead and I can go ahead and weld this stuff on, weld the piece of tube on. We get more than enough gas to do that. When I do need gas, I got to run up to the welding gas store. It's a big brand name place, but they're gonna hook me up with it. We don't like this big fat giant torch. I hate it. Richard don't like it. It's like a Harley with the big grips. It's not. We want a smaller. So I'm going to take one of. We have 3 of these welders, right? They kept replacing them for us. So we've got another brand new torch in here. I'll take it with me. I'll just take it with me and make sure that we get the right connection for the welder. This bit here. This is pedal, but make sure we get the right setup and get a smaller handled torch, and we'll go from there. So Richie would like that. I like it, but so far so good. It's coming along. We'll be cutting those bushings here while he takes that pipe. We'll be cutting those bushings, and like I said, we got it set up so this board is even with this here. The pipe is just a hair over, plenty of room. So we'll go ahead and start working on bushings and stuff. I was digging up some stuff, as you see here, out of the trailer, just some aluminum. We got some plastic, phenolic, just stuff to make whatever we need to work this up and get that bumper ready to go on too. She's coming together, folks. She's coming together. We want pipe and stuff so we can run our hoses. We want that on so we're not going to have any interference. Love the idea of the little retainers that we bought for our hoses. These things are killer. I know everybody else just puts zip tie. They drill holes in their seat and put zip ties on. Not RPM. Why? Why, Ben? Because it's a fashion show out there. And this is pretty fashionable. These go right on the back of the seat. Right? And the hose goes right in there. Yeah, baby. Yeah! That's right. We're pimping out the RPM ride. That's right. We've got a bunch of cool stuff over here that we got to work in little by little. I'm going to make some spacers to go between these plastic deals and the nose itself, to space the nose out a little bit, to give us a little more, you know, we don't, you know, I don't have big feet, but we'd like to move this as far forward as we can. Yeah, I don't like being all jammed up with the knees and stuff. I'm a lay down guy. It's going to take me some time to get used to this bent knees and holding your knees up and stuff, you know. So there you go. What do you think? She's looking good. We're making progress. Yes, I am going with no extra bars on the cart. No, I'm going with no bars. Why? Because 99% of the guys that got bars on their cart have never ridden a cart without them. They just took somebody's word for you got to have those. The cart has to be all lifted, you know, chassis all the way up, this all the way down, this over here, that over there. I'm a big guy. I'm bigger than most of the guys I would get my advice from, right? My friends at the track. So I ain't going to have any problem transferring weight, if you know what I'm saying. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. Do it your way. We do here at RPM. We do it our way. Hang in there, y'all. I'm praying for you.